Good morning, Corey Frazier here with TreasureAutoSales and hashtag Frazier's Friends. Today I'll be doing a video walk around of this 2010 Jeep Commander Limited, the 5.7 liter Hemi. But just like in all my videos, we're going to do the outside. We'll do the inside condition and features. I'll turn it over, let you see the dash, all the lights, let you hear it run. But first we're just going to get outside condition, whatever features it may have, and then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you're seeing, I'm getting both angles for you so you can see if there's any dents, dings, dimples, anything like that. The reason why we do these video walkarounds, we do deliver nationwide, including Hawaii and Alaska. Just reach out, give me a call or a text for further details. My contact information is in the description below. I can get you over the link for the instant quote for home or office delivery. But if you're not familiar with these Jeep Commanders, a lot of room. With a Hemi, the 5.7 liter Hemi, a lot of power, limited, so it's going to have the backup camera, sensors, all the goodies. Let's get here on the tires. Tires are in really good condition. Matter of fact, this does have remote start. Let me see if I can't do this here. So see all the different options it has. So you'll be able to let's see if it turns over. There we go. Alright, let's get to the inside condition and features. Get around the door frame here. So it has a wood grain, power windows, power locks, power memory seats, the premium sound. You get the condition of the leather here. Leather's in pretty good condition. A little bit of wear on the driver's side. See, nothing horrible. Matter of fact, we may have a vendor coming in to repair it. Everything's just so backlogged right now. It's crazy. Second seat here. So I can seat 3 in the middle there, and then let's get this third row here. Nice. So it's gonna have all the different sunroofs on here, the DVD player. Let me go ahead and do this. Oh, whoops, wrong one. Oh, click the wrong one here. Let's try this again. Alright, yeah, open up the power lift gate there. A little shot from back here. Alright, let's get those features up front. So you got power pedal adjusters, steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and just turn this guy over real quick. There is a mileage there. As you can see, no check engines, nothing like that. Media center, navigation, backup, heated seats, the tow assist, 4-wheel drive low. This is an all-wheel drive. It's gonna have 4-wheel drive low, and then it even has a little camera mounted up there so you can record SD card if you need to. Let's do that. Turn on some lights. Well, guys, hopefully this helped answer some questions. You know, if there's anything that I may have missed or you'd like me to come out to take photos, shoot another video walk around, frankly, whatever we can do to help accommodate, facilitate, just reach out again, give us a call or a text. My contact information is in the description below. I do want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time, guys.